stop scrolling. If you're under 25, you have one massive advantage that millionaires would pay anything to reclaim. But most people throw it away without even noticing. No, it's not a six-figure salary, it's not starting a business, and it's definitely not luck or connections. It's time. And the biggest money mistake before 25 is wasting that time. Here's what I mean. Most people in their early 20s say, I'll start investing when I make more money. I'll save seriously once I get a better job. I'm still young, I've got time. But that mindset is exactly how people lose their greatest financial superpower. Wealth isn't built by those who start with the most money. It's built by those who start the earliest. Picture two friends. One begins investing a modest amount every month at age 22. The other waits until 32, thinking he'll invest bigger sums later. The second friend puts away more money each month, yet the first friend ends up significantly wealthier. Why? Because money grows with time more than it grows with size. Every year you delay, the heavier the lift becomes for your future self. Every impulse buy, every I'll start next month, every time you choose instant gratification, you're trading something irreplaceable. Your 20s aren't for looking rich, they're for becoming rich. So the next time you're about to spend money on something you don't need, ask yourself one question. Will my future self thank me for this? If the answer is no, put it down, because the biggest money mistake before 25 is not starting while you still had the time. If you want to build real wealth instead of just chasing it, subscribe to Mind and Money for more videos that rewire how you think about money.